Ooh. She'll go for it. So it's not nearly as cold this morning. It's not as windy either. Of course, we have to start out running as usual. MJ's down there. Oh! Alright, we'll go down here and wait for her. What are you doing? You're looking for something. Come on, baby. Good girl. No, we're not going down there. Come on. Look at this little cutie. It's a rainy afternoon, huh? What are you two doing? What are you doing? Nobody's out there. I don't think. Good girls. It's fascinating. Someone just came in. Oh, that's nice. Clean yourself up.